Yes, sister, yes. Okay, guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Super flat, you know what I'm saying? It has not been dipped yet. This is what the ends are looking like, real nice and neat. I will be back to show you guys what it looks like when it is dipped. This is my first time ever doing box braids on myself. I didn't know how to put them in. I had no idea, but all I had to do was watch one video and boom, I had it down back, you know what I'm saying? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, I had it. That's all I had to. I'm a visual learner, so that's how I learned how to do stuff. I just need to watch. I need to see you do it, and you can't tell me how to do it because I'm gonna be looking at you crazy. I braided it a certain way, like inside, so that you don't get that little ball that you usually see on braids. That's on the opposite side, that's laying down, so you guys aren't gonna see that. I started on Sunday night from 5 to 9, from 9 to, my dyslexic ass, from 9 to 5. I barely got anything done. I woke up the next morning. I started at 9 o'clock and I did not finish until 4:30. And that's what I just had a little bit, because I had to go to work, and then I came back from work, finished a little bit more, but I ran out of hair. So when I came on camera and that's what you guys seen, that's how much I had left. I'd rather learn how to do it myself and perfect it myself instead of giving somebody $180 to $200 to do it for me, because boo boo, we ain't got money to be splurging like that, you know what I'm saying? I used about I bought 11 packs. I wasted like half. So I wasted like half, or 75% of one pack. So I used about 10.5 packs, 10.25 of a pack. Well, actually at my 11th pack I only used like a quarter of it. So I'd say altogether I used about 10 packs of hair. Yes, look at my hang time, sis. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. But yes, sister, yes. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you guys can give it a try and let me know your thoughts. And let me know your thoughts on how I did my hair for my first time. Comment down below, Cloud Gang, and let your girl know, because I am beyond proud of myself, girl. It looks like I went to a professional. Yeah, I love you guys. Stay sexy. We're on the grind to 1.3K. We're on the grind to 5K. And we're on the road to 1 mil. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys. Stay sexy. Okay, you already know. Focus. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.